Welcome to ROAV Perfect classes. In this video, I will discuss about 2D and 3D transformation. What is a 2D transformation? In computer graphics, transformation is a process of changing and repositioning the existing graphics. That is known as ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो आपके एग्जिस्टिंग जो भी आपने ग्राफिक्स बनाया हुआ है उसको या तो मॉडिफाई करेगा या फिर उसको रीपोजीशन किया जाता है। तो ये जो प्रोसेस है मॉडिफाई और रीपोजीशनिंग का किसी भी एग्जिस्टिंग ग्राफिक्स को करने का उसको हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बोलते हैं। और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हमारे पास टू टाइप्स की है, 2D एंड 3D। फर्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट 2D ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। 2D ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में क्या होता है, 2 डायमेंशनल प्लेन होते हैं। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो किसी भी ग्राफिक्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन साइज ओरिएंटेशन एंड शेप इन सबको जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के कहने का मतलब है बट इट मींस पोजीशन साइज ओरिएंटेशन एंड शेप ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हम इसको चेंज करते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का मतलब है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आर हेल्पफुल इन changing the position of an object, changing the size of an object, changing the orientation of object, changing the shape of an object. That is known as transformation. Now next, there are different types of techniques which are used for the 2D transformation. First, translation. Second, rotation. Third, scaling. Fourth, reflection. Fifth is sharing. Now first is 2D translation. First is 2D translation. 2D translation is a process of moving an object from one position to another position. Means, for example, there is a x and y coordinate. This is a x coordinate, x axis, and this is a y axis. For example, one object which is placed here, when we change its position, we keep it this position. This just a minute. From this position to this position, we keep the object. We change the position. This is known as P x0, y0, and new position is known as P x1, y1. That means 2D is in 2D translation we can move an object from one position to another position in two-dimensional plane. example, this is a old position of an object that is known as x0, y0, and this is a new position of this old object. When we move this object from one place to another place, now its name is x1 and y1. And you can say this is a x old position and this is a x new position, and this portion, this is known as transformation through translation, that is known as tx. And on the other side, this is a y old position and this is a y new position, and this portion is known as ty, that is known as translation of y. You can say here tx defines the distance between old and new position of x, and ty denotes to distance between old and new y's position. This is known as 2D ट्रांसलेशन. कहने का मतलब ये है, जब पहले आपके जो ऑब्जेक्ट था वो इस पोजीशन पर था, ठीक है, और इस पोजीशन पर इसको हमने नेम दे दिया एक्स ओल्ड. अब ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इसको उठाकर मैंने यहां पर रख दिया, इसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर दी. जब इसकी पोजीशन चेंज की तो इसका जो एक्स है उसको नेम दे दिया मैंने एक्स न्यू, और इधर से आपके पास वाई पोजीशन भी चेंज हुई. जब ये ओल्ड था तो वाई की पोजीशन ये थी, और जब उसको उठाकर मैंने दूसरी जगह पर रखा, पोजीशन चेंज की, तो ये इसका वाई का न्यू पोजीशन बन गई. और जो पुरानी और न्यू यानी कि पुरानी और नई जो पोजीशन के बीच का डिस्टेंस है एक्स और वाई, इनके बीच के जो डिस्टेंस है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं टी एक्स और टी वाई से, और उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रांसलेशन. मींस ओल्ड पोजीशन से न्यू पोजीशन पर जब ऑब्जेक्ट को शिफ्ट किया जाता है उसको हम बोलते हैं 2D ट्रांसलेशन. अब ये 2D ट्रांसलेशन हुई कैसे? अगर मैथमेटिकल वे से या मैट्रिक्स वे से हम इसको समझना चाहें तो हम ये कहेंगे, हमारा जो न्यू एक्स है, एक्स न्यू कैसे बनेगा? एक्स जो ओल्ड पोजीशन है, जब हम उसमें क्या करेंगे, टी एक्स को प्लस करेंगे तो आपके पास एक्स न्यू बन जाएगा. और वाई न्यू कैसे बनेगा? वाई ओल्ड में आप क्या प्लस करोगे, टी वाई को प्लस करोगे तो ये आपके पास वाई न्यू बन जाएगा. अब एग्जाम्पल मैथमेटिकल वे से आप देखें तो यहाँ पर फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये 2 है और ये हमारे पास 4, इधर से हमारे पास ये 2 है, ये हमारे पास 4. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, दैट मीन्स here 2,2 object's position is 2,2. when it shift from this position to this position, then new x will go 4, and y new 4. 4,4 न्यू पोजीशन बन गई. दैट मीन्स इसमें कितना ऐड किया आपने, 2 ऐड किया ना, 2 + 2 दैट इज 4. देन अगेन 2 + 2 दैट इज 4. दैट मीन्स ये जो 2 हम ऐड कर रहे हैं ये टी एक्स और टी वाई है, और ये जो 2 है ये हमारा एक्स ओल्ड और वाई ओल्ड है. और जब प्लस किया, प्लस करने के बाद हमारे पास क्या आ गया, एक्स न्यू और वाई न्यू की वैल्यू आ गई. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, 2D ट्रांसलेशन. तो हमें मैथमेटिकली हमें जो फॉर्मूला याद रखना है वो हम क्या याद रखेंगे, x, you can say, you can give any name, xn is equal to xo plus tx, yn is equal to yo plus ty. This is matrix which should be remember. This is a translation matrix and it is also known as homogeneous coordinates. Now we have to remember that this is a 2 by 2 matrix, but if we have given 3 by 3 matrix, then what will we do? We will be add here one row, that will be like this. You can say your matrix will be in 2D 1 0 0 1 tx and ty. When we make 3D, then we will add 1 0 0 1 and this will be equal to x new, y new and 1. That means you will add x old is equal to x is equal to x old, y old and 1 for making 3 by 3 matrix, and it is also known as homogeneous coordinates representation. Now I will again discuss it. If we made 2 by 2 matrix, in 2 by 2 matrix we will take 0 1 1 0 tx ty, and in 3 by 3 matrix we will take 0 1 1 0 tx ty, and last line we will add 0 0 1, and this matrix is also known as homogeneous coordinates representation. Now, and this is also known as only translation matrix. Homogeneous coordinate representation of xy is xy comma 1. Through this representation, all transformation can be performed using matrix or vector multiplications. Now, we will be do some practical questions, like for example we have given a circle C with radius 10 and center coordinates. We have given center coordinates 1, 4, and we have to apply translation with distance with distance 5 towards x and 1 towards y axis, x axis and y axis, and we have to find out new coordinates of circle without changing its radius. First of all, we have to write x old. X old is given 1 and y old is given 4. This is x old and y old. And then we have given translation vector, that is tx 5 and ty is 1. Now x new, y new. We have to find it. 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Because formula is x old plus tx, y old plus ty, that is y new. Now we have new coordinates of circle, that is equal to 6, 5. And you can say answer is 6, 5. You can write it like this: 1, 4 plus 5, 1. And you can find out new center coordinates of C without changing radius. You can show in diagram like this: 0x x-axis, 0y y-axis. Here we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first of all, old position, x is 1 and y is 4. This is old position, 1, 4. Now, new position, 6 and 5. This is new position, 6, 5. You can see changing of position of coordinate. First it will here and then it will here. You can see this is, and this position, this is the distance, that is tx, and this is the ty. You can see these are tx is equal to 5 and ty is equal to 1. Now another one example of 2D translation. We have given a square. With coordinates. A coordinate is given 0, 3. B coordinate is given 3, 3. And C coordinate is given 3, 0. And D coordinate is given 0, 0. And we have to apply translation. We have given translation distance. Tx is given 1 and ty also is given 1. We have to find new coordinates of square. New coordinates of square. First of all, I am draw the table, draw the diagram according to old values. Maximum value here 3. 1, 2, 3. I am taking here till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When 0, 0, 3, that is 0 or 3, A position. Then B, 3, 3, 3, 3. This is known as B. C, 3, 0, 3, 0. D, 0, 0. This is known as D. Now draw this diagram. This is a square. Now in question it said translation should be 1 towards x-axis and towards y-axis. I go to one position more on x-axis and one position more y-axis. You can see when we move it, it will be change this position. Now this will be here, this object will be set here. Now you can see A will be 0,4 and B will be 4,4 and C will be 4,0 and D will be, D position will be remain same. No, you can see D will be also move here, this position, and this will be 1,1 and like this it will also move here, that will be 4,1. This is a translation. Now you can see how to change it. We have given A's position 0, 3 and translation 1, 1 and new position will be 1, 4. You can say here, you can see here, it also change here. You can see this object will be translate here like this. This is new position. Now B is 3, 3, 1, 1 plus you will get 4, 4. This is correct. Now C 3, 0 plus 1, 1, it will be 4, 1 and D 0, 0. This will also change position, that will be 1, 1. Now you can see its new position. One, 1. This is D dash. A dash is 1,4. B dash is 4, 4 and C dash is 4,1. This is a 2D translation, or you can say you want to see it on different by different two diagrams. You can see like this 0 and this is 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can see this is old and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here new position, its new position, its new position. You can see it's shifting of the square diagram according to 2D translation. Now next topic is second technique of 2D translation is 2D rotation. 2D rotation. 2D rotation 2D rotation is a process of rotating an object with respect to an angle in a two-dimensional plane. मीन्स 2D रोटेशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट करते हैं एंगल के अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, तो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज ए डायग्राम. फर्स्ट आई एम ड्राइंग according to old. This is a x old and this position is a y old, and here I give you name O. O dash. Now I am drawing this according to angle. This is a old position. Now I want to rotate it. I want to rotate it from this position to this position. I want to rotate it from this position to this position. Now its position is this. First I give it name P. Now its name is P dash. You can see its position also change. Y new and X new. You can see angle will be rotate. This is known as theta, this is known as phi. Now you can see that what will be formula is used in mathematical way in matrix form. X new is equal to X old multiply cos theta minus Y old multiply sin theta, and Y new is equal to X old multiply sin theta plus Y old multiply cos theta. This formula is used. This rotation is achieved by using this rotation equation. This is a rotation equation. Now in matrix form we can write like this: X new Y new is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta and cos theta, and multiply X old and Y old. This is a rotation matrix. This should be learned for any numeric question solving. And for homogeneous coordinate it can be written like this: X new Y new 1 is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, and here we will write 0 0 0 0 1 and multiply x old and y old and 1. This is homogeneous coordinate representation of 2D rotation. Now I am going to solve practical question. For example, we have given a line segment. We have given line segment with starting point that is 0, 0 and ending point 4, 4 and theta is given 30-degree rotation or anti-clockwise. Direction on line segment, find the new coordinates of line. We rotate a straight line by its end point with same angle, then we redraw a line between the new end points. Now, first of all, find x new. X new is equal to x old multiply cos 30-degree minus y old multiply sin 30-degree. That means sin theta cos theta. X old is 0. Sorry, x old is 4. X old is 4 multiply cos 30-degree is equal to root 3 over 2 minus y old is 4 multiply sin 30-degree is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 root 3 minus 2 to the 4 and root 3's value will be 1.73 minus 2. 2 multiply it. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 2 7 is 14, 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. 3.46 minus 2, that is equal to 1.46. Now y new. X old multiply sin 30-degree plus y old multiply cos 30-degree. X old is 4 sin 31 by 2 plus y old is 4 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Two ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 multiply root 3 is 1.73. 2 plus 3.46. After addition 5.46. This is your x new and y new coordinates. Now after this, if you want to solve it through matrix, then you can solve in this way. You can write here x new and y new in matrix form, and cos 30 degree is 3 by 2 minus sin is minus 1 by 2, sin 30 degree 1 by 2 and cos 30 root 3 by 2 multiply, this is 4 by 4. First row multiply first column, root 3 by 2 multiply 4 minus 1 by 2 multiply 4. Now second row first column, 1 by 2 multiply 4 plus root 3 by 2 multiply by 4. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. Now you can see here it is just like equation root 3 1.73 multiply 2 minus 2. 2 plus root 3 1.73 multiply 2. This is 3.46 minus 2. 2 plus 3.46. Now you can see answer is same 1.46 and 5.46. आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी मेथड से सम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो, चाहे आप इक्वेशन वाला मेथड यूज कर लो, चाहे आप मैट्रिक्स वाला मेथड यूज कर लो, जो आपको इजी लगता है उस मेथड से आप सम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स डायग्राम विल बी लाइक दिस, 0 axis and y axis. First I draw this P here, it will be on 4 position and angle is 30 degree. Now it changed the position, y is go to 5.46 and 4 is go to something 1.46. You can see here x, you can see angle will be remain that angle, this is a 30 degree, it will be rotate, you can see it will be rotate anti-clockwise, right to left it move, this is a anti-clockwise rotation. When it rotate left to right, that is a clockwise. Now it is a anti-clockwise rotation. Now this is a 30 degree angle. If we have given theta is 90 degree, then how will we solve? In this question we have given triangle and 3 positions are given, A 0 0, B position 1, 0, C position 1, 1 and theta is given 90 degree. Now first of all we will solve stepwise. First I will solve A's value, x new y new is equal to x old, I will take here 0 and cos 90 degree, that is equal to 0 minus 0 multiply, you can see here we use x old multiply cos 90 degree minus y old multiply sin 90 degree. You can draw a table from where you can see what's the value of cos 90. 0 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Take the square root. You will see 0, 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That means this is a sin 90 degree is equal to 1 and cos 90 degree will be 0 because it will be reverse. 1 root 3 by 2, root 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. 0 0 is a 0 0 is a 0 minus 0 1 is a 0, that is 0. Now x old multiply sin 90 degree plus y old multiply cos 90 degree. 0 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0, that is 0 plus 0, 0. Now these values x new and y new. 1 multiply 0 minus 0 multiply 1. 0 minus 0. 1 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 0. 1 plus 0, 1. C's value 1 comma 1. X new and y new. X new will be 1 multiply 0 minus 1 multiply 0. 1 multiply 1. This will be 1. And here 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. That will be equal to minus 1 and that will be equal to 1. Now now you have to find all new values of A, B, C. You can write it A's new value 0, 0 and B's new value 0, 1 and C's new value minus 1, 1. You can draw its diagram. Old values are 0, 0 and B's old value is B's old value 1, 0 and C's old value 1, 1 and A's new value 0, 0, B's new value 0, 1 and C's new value minus 1, 1. You can see 0, 1 and here 1. On 0, 0 This is a position. B 1 0. This is second position. And C 1 1. C 1 1. This is C's position 1 comma 1. This will be this form. Now new 0 1 1 1 1. You can draw here. This is minus 1. On first is 0 0 0 1. B position minus 1 1. This is C minus 1 comma 1. You can see it change its position. Thus new coordinates of triangle after rotation will be show like this figure. Now next I am going to discuss about 2D scaling. 2D scaling. In 2D scaling, स्केलिंग एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज को जब हम मॉडिफाई करते हैं उस प्रोसेस को हम स्केलिंग कहते हैं। कहने का मतलब है कि पहले साइज आपके ऑब्जेक्ट का ये था, फॉर एग्जांपल 1/1, बट जब इसकी पोजीशन चेंज की तो इसका साइज ये हो गया। दैट मीन्स पोजीशन तो चेंज हुई पर पोजीशन चेंज होने के साथ साथ उसका साइज भी इंक्रीज हो गया, या फिर इसका साइज और छोटा हो गया। दिस इज 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5। तो जो ये चेंजेस हो रही है साइज में उसको हम 2D स्केलिंग कहते हैं। 2D scaling may be used to increase or reduce the size of object, and scaling subjects the coordinate point of original object to change. Scaling factor determines whether the object size is to be increased or reduced. Here size is increased, here size is decreased. If scaling factor is greater than 1, that means object size is increased. If scaling factor size is less than 1, that means size is reduced. Object size is reduced. So its equation x new is equal to x old plus sx, y new is equal to y old plus sy. This is a scaling equation. Now, how to write it in a matrix form? You can write it like this: x new, y new is equal to sx 0 0 sy, and multiply x old y old. This is matrix form in 2x2 matrix. If you want to in homogeneous matrix, you can add 1. X new, y new and 1 is equal to, you can write sx 0 0 sy 0 0 0 0 1, and multiply x old, y old and 1. This is a homogeneous coordinates representation of scaling matrix. Now I am going to solve problem, practical problem. For example, we have a given square we have a given square object. Object is given in the form of square, and square sides are given A03, B33, C30 and D00. These are the coordinate points of square object. After applying scaling parameter towards x, that means Sx is given 2, and 3 towards y-axis, that means Sy is given 3. Now we have to find new coordinate, and according to equation, x new y new is equal to x old is given. First we solve a. X old is given 0, multiply Sx, and y old is given 3, multiply 3, 0, 3 3s are 9. This is new. A is 0, 9, and old A is given that is 0, 3. This is new. Now B 3, 3. X new will be 3 multiplied 2, 6. Y new is equal to 3 3s are 9. That means B is given, B is new 6 and 9. Now C is 3, 0. X new, that will be 3 multiplied 2, 6, and Y new, that is 0 multiplied 3, 0. That means C is given new 6, 0. Now D is 0, 0, and new D will be 0, 0, because when we multiply 0 multiply 2, 0, 0 multiply 3, 0. That means D new will also 0, 0. Now you can draw its diagram. For example, we have given here 0. We given here 0 and 3, maximum value 3. So I will take here 3, 3. First 0, 3. This is A. 3, 3. This is B position. 3, 0. This is C position. And 0, 0, D position. Now you can draw it. This is your square. Now after changing its size, after scaling, its size will be changed. Now it will be goes to 3 to 9 size. This is 9 size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 0 to y is at a position of 9. This is a position. B is 6, 9. 6, 9. You can see here this is a B position. C 6, 0. This is a C position, and this is a D position. Now you can see its size will go increase. So this is a scaling transformation, 2D scaling transformations. Now I am going to discuss 2D reflection in computer graphics. 2D reflection. 2D reflection. 2D reflection means is a kind of rotation. Is a kind of rotation where angle of rotation is 180 degree. Means these are the four coordinates. If any diagram is here, this object is here position. If it rotate, either it will rotate here, it will show like this, either it will show here like this, or it will show here like this. These are the reflection. These are also known as mirror reflection. These are known as reflection. Reflection is a kind of rotation where angle of rotation is 180 degree. Reflected object is always formed on other side of mirror. And this, you can say this line is also like a mirror. These are a vertical mirror and these are horizontal mirror. The size of reflected object is same as the size of original object. Now, its formula equation will be x new is equal to x old and y new is equal to y old. This is a equation. Now, what will be the matrix formula? X new, y new is equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 multiply x old and y old, reflection matrix. And this matrix is used when reflection along x axis. In homogeneous case, it will be add x new, y new 1 0 0 0 minus 1 sorry 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 here 0 0 1 multiply x old y old 1. This is a reflection matrix, homogeneous coordinates representation. Now, what will be reflection along y-axis? I will write here again. First is reflection along x-axis. That will be x new, y new. That will be equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 and multiply x 0 y 0. That means x old y old. This is a along x-axis. Now reflection along y-axis. In this case, x new, y new is equal to minus 1 0 0 1 multiply x old y old. This is y-axis reflection, and in a homogeneous we will add 1 0 0 1 It means in this case reflection will be made in this position, and in case y-axis, reflection will be made in this side. So that's why change its x negative. Here x is negative and y will be positive. Here x negative, sorry, x positive, y negative. So that's why we will use here 1 0 0 minus 1. Now if it change, for example, this position change into here, then what will be happen? From this position to this position, you want to change. If you want to change, or you can say you want to see reflection of this object through this mirror, then you can see x and y both will be negative. So equation, so matrix will be reflection along xy axis. X new, y new will be -1 0 0 -1, and x old y old multiply. Now I am going to discuss related to it question, practical question. For example, we have given a triangle. We have given a triangle, and triangle's A position, A's coordinates is given 3, 4. B's coordinate is given 6, 4, and C's coordinate is given 5, 6. Now apply the reflection of x-axis. Reflection of x-axis, y-axis, and xy axis. First we will find x new, y new. First is new value, that will be what will be you write here? 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 minus 1. You will write here -1 multiply old 3 and 4, and B's new value xn yn. 1 0 0 minus 1 multiply 6 4. C's new value xn yn. 1 0 0 minus 1 multiply 5 6. Now you will be solved. First row multiply first column. 3 ones are 3, 4 0 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3. Now second row multiply first row, 0 3s are 0. Minus 1 multiply 4, minus 4. Here 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 6, 0 4s are 0, 0 plus 6, 6. 0 6 are 0, minus 4, minus 1 multiply 4, minus 4. 1 5s are 5, 0 6 are 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 5s are 0, minus 1 6 are minus 6. Now you can see these are the values of reflection of x-axis. 3 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 6. You can show it. You can show it through the diagram. You can show it through the diagram. You can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And older number is 3, 3x, y 4. 3, 4. This is A. B is 6, 4. 6. This is 4. And C is 5, 6. This is 5. And this will be 6. 5, 6. C. You can see this diagram will be old. Now new. 3. This is 3. 3 minus 4. This is a minus 4. 3, minus 4. This is A. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. 6, minus 4. This is B. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. C. 5 minus 6. You can see this object's reflection is this. You can see after reflection, translation, x-axis. Now you can next I am going to discuss reflection of y-axis. In this you will find new value BC. Here will be in y-axis, y will be minus 1, y will be minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Minus 1, 0, 0, 1. And old is value 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6. And new value will be minus 1, 3s are minus 3. 3 0 0, 1 4s are 4. That means sign will be minus with the x coordinate. -6 -6 4 and -5 6. Now you can see here its reflection will be what will -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Old, this is old object, its reflection will be -3 plus 4, -6 plus 4, -6 plus 4, -5 6. You can see its reflection, y-axis. Now we will be find x-axis. A will be minus x minus y, new A. B new will be -6 -4, and the C will be new -5 -6. Now you can see -3 -4 and -6 -4 and -5 6 minus. This is the reflection of these objects when reflection of x y axis. Now last 2D transformation is 2D shearing technique. Last 2D technique is 2D shearing. In 2D shearing, 2D शेयरिंग एक आइडल टेक्निक है जो एग्जिस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट की शेप को चेंज करता है। कैसे चेंज करता है? इसके भी 2 मेथड्स हैं इसको चेंज करने के। फर्स्ट मेथड में ये शेयरिंग करता है एक्स एक्सिस के अकॉर्डिंग, शेयरिंग इन एक्स एक्सिस, एंड सेकेंड में ये करता है शेयरिंग in y-axis. Now for sharing we will use here abbreviation SHX and SHY. This is equal to sharing towards x axis, and this is equal to sharing towards y axis, and equation will be when we use first sharing in x axis, then equation will be x new is equal to x old plus sharing towards x axis multiply y old. Y new is equal to y old. Means in matrix form you can say x and y n is equal to 1 SHX 0 1 multiply x old y old in case x axis, and in case y axis In case y-axis, xn is equal to x old and yn is equal to y old plus sharing towards y-axis multiply x old, and in matrix form you can say x n y n is equal to x 10 shy 1 multiplying x0 y0 means x old y old. And in homogeneous representation we will be, in case x-axis we take matrix like this, xn yn 1 is equal to 1 shx 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 multiply x0 y0 1. And in y-axis case xn yn 1 0 1 0 shy 1 multiply x0 y0, and here we will write 0 0 1 0 0 in homogeneous coordinates representation. Now I am going to discuss one numeric question. We have given a triangle. Its coordinates are given a 1, 1, b 0, 0, c 1, 0, and shx shear parameter towards x is given 2 and shear parameter towards y is given 2. We have to find out nu for a xn yn, that will be equal to 1 shx, that will be 2 0 1, here 1 1. When we solve it, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 0 0, 1 1s are 1. Now you can see 3 1, and these xn yn 1 2 0 1 0 0 0, it will be 0 0. Now x yn of c 1 2 0 1 1 0, 1 1s are 1, 2 0 0, 0 1s are 0, 1 0 0. It's a new coordinates of x sharing in a x-axis 3 1 0 0 and 1 0. If you want to sharing by y, then a xn yn, then we use 1 0 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, that will be equal to 1 or 3, or you can say B's xn and yn 1 0 2 1 0 0, that will be equal to 0 0, and in case c xn yn 1 2 0 1 old 1 0 1 1s 1, 0 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 0 0. This is a sharing in y-axis. These are the answers. Now draw the diagram. Old values are given. Old values are given 1 1 0 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0 1 0, and its new value x-axis, according to x-axis, 3 1 0 0 1 0, 3 1 0 0 and 1 0, 1 0, and according to this new value is 1 3 0 comma 0 1 comma 2. Now draw the diagram. 0 1 1. First step 1 1. This is 1 1. Now 0 0. This is 0 0. 1 0. This is 1 0. This is the old diagram. After sharing, x-axis 0 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 1 0 0, and 1, this is 1, 1, now 0. You can see its diagram will be this shape. This is a shape. Here 0 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1, this is 1, this is 3, 0 0, this is a 0 0, 1 2, this is 2. You can see this shape like this when sharing y-axis. Now I am going to discuss about 3D transformation. In 3D transformation also 5 techniques: translation, rotation, scaling, reflection and sharing. Like 2D reflection, 2D transformation, 3D transformation is take place in a 3-dimensional plane, and 2D transformation take place in 2-dimensional plane. Now 3D transformation are important and bit more complex than 2D transformation. Transformations which are very helpful in changing position, size, orientation, shape, etc. of the object. 3D transformation is just like 2D transformation, but in 3D transformation we use 3D plane And in a 2D transformation, we use two-dimensional plane. 2D transformation is simple, but 3D transformation is more complex as compared to 2D transformation. But in both transformation, we change position, size, orientation and shape of an object. And in both, we use 5 techniques: translation, rotation, scaling, reflection and shearing. Now first, 3D translation first is 3D translation. I will discuss only here its matrix, its equations. 3D translation, and this is 2D translation. What will be the difference between both? In 3D translation, we will take three coordinates: x coordinate, y coordinates and z coordinates. And in 2D translation, we will use only x and y coordinates, because 3D translation will be on 3D dimensional, but in 2D translation we will use two-dimensional plane, x coordinate and y coordinate. Here we will use x, y, z coordinates. This is a 3D dimensional plane. Means, for example, object is here. That object shift to this position. This is a translation. And here we will use x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Here it's x old coordinate, y old and z old points. And in this case, x old, y old only, and when it shift, then x new and y new only. This is the difference. And in translation we will use tx for translation parameter towards x, ty for translation parameter towards y, tz, that is translation parameter towards z axis. In this we will use tx and only ty. And in this we will use matrix xn, yn, zn and is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and tx, ty, tz, and multiply x0, y0, z0. This is a 3D translation matrix. And in homogeneous form, we will add here 1 0 0 0 1 and 1 here. But in this case, in 2D translation, we use xn, yn equal to 1 0 0 1 tx, ty multiply x old y old, and in a homogeneous matrix we add 1 0 0 1 and 1. Now, or you can say in equation form, xn is equal to x old plus tx, yn is equal to y old plus ty, zn is equal to z old plus tz. And in case 2D translation, xn is equal to x0 plus tx, yn is equal to y0 plus, or you can say yo plus ty. This is a 3D and 2D translation difference. Now you can take example of 3D translation. One example I will take here, practical, that is question number 1. We have given 3D object with coordinates A. A is given 0, 3, 1, and B is given 3, 3, 2, and C is given 3, 0, 0, and D is given 0, 0, 0. Apply translation. Distance towards x is tx is equal to 1, ty is also 1, and tz is equal to 2. Now we have to find new coordinates. What formula? X n y n z n. Now use this formula. You can find x old is 0. First is x 0, 3, 1. You will find A's value plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. You will find 1, 4, 3. This is new value. B's new value 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4, 4, 4. Now C's new value 3 plus 1, 0 plus 1, and 0 plus 2. New value will be 4, 1, 2. And D's value, that will be 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. And it will be 1, 1, 2. Now you can draw the diagram. We have given here diagram of 3D dimensional. Like this. This is a Z, this is a Y coordinate, and this one is a X coordinate. And you can see here X maximum value 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see what X is 1, this is a 1, Y is 4, this is a 4, and Z is a 3 and 4. X is a 4 and y also 4. You can and 4 is x. This is a 4. Y is 1. This is a 1 and 2 is a z. This is a 2 and 1. 1 is a 1 and this is a y is 1 and z is a 2. That means when we see this object after new position, before this object is here. After translation, this object shift to this position. This is a 3D translation. Now next is a 3D. Next is a 3D rotation. I will discuss here difference between 3D rotation and 2D rotation. All things are same, x, y, z, only difference between its matrix. In equation, x new is equal to x old and y new is equal to y old multiply cos theta minus z old multiply sin theta and z new is equal to y old multiply sin theta plus z old multiply cos theta, and in matrix form xn, yn, zn. One 0 0 0 cos theta minus sin theta 0 sin theta cos theta. Multiply x0 y0 z0. This is a 3D rotation matrix, but in homogeneous we will add 1 0 0 0. Here we will add 0 0 0 1 and it also add here 1. In 2D matrix will be xn, yn, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta and multiply x old y old. In homogeneous we will add 0 0 0 0 1 1. But this formula is in the case use x-axis. In case we use y-axis, when we want to rotate according to y-axis, then formula will be xn, yn, zn. Here 1. I will discuss only here its matrix. x0, y0, z0. Here in this case, first value cos theta 0, sin theta फिर 0, फिर 0, 1, 0, 0, because y will be same, minus sin theta cos theta, sorry, 0, here 0, cos theta 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 in case y axis. And in 2D, x n y n 1. What will be done? Cos theta minus sin theta, here sin theta cos theta, 0, 0, 0, 0. X old value, y old 1. This is a y axis, but in 3D z axis rotation is also present. Then what will be formula? Z will be remain same, so its matrix will be xn, yn, zn 1 is equal to cos theta sin theta 0, 0, minus sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, multiply x old, y old, z old 1. This formula is for homogeneous coordinate representation for z axis rotation. Now I am going to discuss one practical question. We have given a homogeneous point. We have given homogeneous point. These are given 1, 2, 3. And theta is given 90 degree. Towards x, y, z. Find the new coordinates. So we have to find x rotation, xn, yn, zn. What will be used here? You can solve it like this. We will use x coordinates, x matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, cos 90 degree minus sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree, cos 90 degree, 0, 0. You can homogeneous, so 0, 0, 1. Now multiply 1, 2, 3, 1. Now solve it. First row multiply first column. 1 ones are 1. Other values will be 0 because 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now next yn will be cos 90 0 degree minus 1. First row multiply this. 1 0 0 cos 90 0 0 2 0 minus 90 minus 1 minus 1 multiply 3 minus 3. And now third row multiply this, and here sin 91 1 2s are 2, other values 0, and last value 1 1, and this is your new rotation value according to x axis. 1 minus 3 2 1, and if you want to y axis value, then you can use next this formula. For y axis, xn yn zn 1, that is equal to, you can write here its value that is given here 1 2 3 and 1. And matrix for y, that is equal to cos 90 degree 0 minus plus 90 degree 0. This one 0 0 1, and here 0 1 0. Here minus sin 90 degree, and this one 0 cos 90 degree 0 0 0. Now multiply, and this value is this is 0, and this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 0. Now solve it. When we solve, we will find 3 first, and in second row we will find 2, in third we will find minus 1, and in fourth row we will find 1. When we multiply first row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column, fourth row, first column. Now according to z axis, now implement z axis matrix for solving this one. Old values are 1 2 3 1, and its matrix are cos 90 degree minus sin 90 degree. These are 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is also 0. Here these are also 0, and this one is sin 90 degree cos 90 degree. That means 0 minus 1 plus 1 0. Now its new value will be first, that will be minus 2, then 2, then 3, then 1. This is your z axis new value. Thus you can find x axis, y axis, z axis rotations value. Minus 2 first is right, and in case second I have do any mistake, it will be 1. This is a 3D rotation. Now next is a 3D scaling. 3D scaling. In 3D scaling, we will use same method, but its matrix is different as compared to 2D matrix. Xn, Yn, Zn 1 equal to Sx, Sy, Sz 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and multiply x old, y old, z old 1. This is scaling matrix. Scaling in scaling matrix, now I will take one example. We have given, here we have given A 033 and B 336 and C 301 and D 0, 0, 0 and scaling is given. SHX is given towards x 2 and SHY is given 3, SHZ is given also 3. Now we have to find new matrix. How to find? You can directly multiply all these numbers with the sharing parameters and you can find new values. First value 0 multiplied by 2, 0 and what will be is here is value new and 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 was the 3 and B's value, B's new value will be 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 1s are 3. Now C's new value, that will be 2 3 3. Oh, sorry. Here we will take 0 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 and 3 multiply 3, 1 as it, 0 9 9. This is A's value. Now B's value 3 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, 6 multiply 3, 1 as it, 6 9 18 1. Now next C's value 3 multiply 2, 0 multiply 3, 1 multiply 3, 1, 6 0 3 and 1. This is new value and D's value will be same. This is a 3D scaling. Now next is a 3D reflection. 3D reflection. In 3D reflection, all things are same but include Z. Here types of reflection is reflection relative to XY plane, reflection related to XY plane. Second is reflection related to YZ plane, third one XZ plane. Now its formula will be for XY plane. Here we will take matrix Xn, Yn, Zn. Now I am not taking a homogeneous, I am taking only 2 by 2 according to simple matrix. That will be here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1 in case xy, and in case x old, y old, z old. And y in case YZ plane we will use this matrix Yn Zn. Minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 multiply x0 y0 z0. And in xz case, Yn Zn, we will use 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 x0 y0 z0. This is the 3D reflections matrix. You can take one example for solving it. First, we have given 3D triangle. A is given 3, 4, B. B is given 6, 4, 2. C is given 5, 6, 3. Now, first reflection related XY plane. We will find Xn, Yn, Zn. According to this, we will find first A's value. According to this, A's value will be changed 3, 4 and Z will be minus. And in case B's value 6, 4 minus 2. Only change the sign of Z's value 5, 6, 3. When you solve, put the value, then you can get the same result. Now reflection related YZ, Xn, YZ and Zn. You will get A's value. You can change only X sign, minus 3, 4, 1. And B's value will be minus 6, 4, 2. And C's value will be minus 5, 6, 3. And third, Xn, Yn, Zn. In case A's value will be 3, minus 4, 1. And B's value 6, minus 4, 2. And C's value 5, minus 6, 3. Thus you can find out 3D reflections value. Now next method is, this is the last method of this video, that is 3D sharing. 3D sharing. In 3D sharing, all things are same. We only include Z direction. Sorry, here I was written wrong. These are only SY, SZ. By mistake I have written here SX. These are SY, these are SZ. Now I am taking in 3D sharing SHX, SHY, SHZ. Formula will be X new, Y new, Z new is equal to 1 0 0. S in case x-axis. In case x-axis, we will write here SHY SHZ 1 0 0 1, and x old value, y old value, z old value. This is the case of x-axis. When we want to sharing on x-axis, then we will use here sy, only sharing y and sharing z. Second case, sharing on y-axis. In this case, we will be use this formula xn, yn, zn is equal to 1 SHX 0 0 1 0 0, sharing of z, and here 1, multiply x old, y old, z old, and in case sharing of z axis, in that case we will use this matrix xn, yn, zn 1 0 0 1 0 0 SHX SHY and 1, multiply x0, y0, z0. This is a 3D sharing. Now take a one example of practical. We have given 3D triangle and we have given values of 3D. A's 3D triangle, A's value 0 0 0, B's value 1 1 2, and C's value given 1 1 2. Now sharing is given. Sharing of x is given 2. Sharing of y is given 2. Sharing of z is given 3. Now first, according to sharing on x-axis, xn, yn, zn, that means new values. A is new value, here B is new value, here C is new value. We will solve directly. I will write only here the answer. A's value 0, when we multiply any value 0 with any number, then we get 0 0. And in case B's coordinate, x value will be remain same, that is 1, y's value 1. We have to change y's value. How to change y's value? We will be change y's value. Sharing y is equal to 2, and y's old value is given 1 plus 2, multiply x old value, that is 1. You will find 1 plus 2, 3, and B's third value, z's old value, old value, that is 2, plus, and sharing of z value, that is 3, and x old value 1. You will find 2 plus 3, 5. You can say that B's new value 1 3 5. Now you can see the new value. First value as it, second value y's old value 1, plus sharing of y2 and x old value 1, that is 3. Now 2 is z's old value, 3 multiply 1, you will find 5. Now you can see its answer. 113's answer is z's old value. I think I have written wrong here. Here C is third value is 3. This is 6. 1, 3, 6. This is your new value according to sharing on x-axis. Now you can find according to y-axis. A's value, it will be remain same. B's value, it will be change after conversion. 3, first value will be 3, second value will be find 1, third will be 5, and C's value will be change, it will be 3, 1, 6. Now thus you can find sharing on z-axis. A's value will be remain same, 0, 0, 0. B's value will be change, that will be from 1, 1 to 5, 5, 2. 5, 5, 2, and C's value will be changed also from 1, 1, 3 to 7, 7, 3. Here you can take, you can use matrix formula where you substitute all these values in this matrix, then you can find your new answer of 3D sharing transformation. In this video, I have discussed 2D transformation, 3D transformation. Both are almost same, but 2D is more simple as compared to 3D, because in 2D transformation we use two-dimensional plane. In 3D transformation we use three-dimensional plane, because in 2D transformation we use xy coordinates only, and in 3D transformation we use 3 coordinates, x, y, z coordinates. And methods and all techniques are same of both transformations. First is translation, second sharing, scaling, reflection, and rotation. All these techniques are same, but only difference is plane area. 2D, two-dimensional plane, 3D means three-dimensional plane. If you like my video, please like and share my channel for next coming videos, and thank you for watching till end. And in next video I will discuss topic Bezier curves of computer graphics. It will discuss in next video. For this, please subscribe my channel so that you can get next videos, and for get next video you should click on bell icon button. You should click bell icon button so that you can get notification of next videos. Thank you.